My name is Miss Rice. I teach ASL here at Bangor High School. I hope you come and join us so that you can learn this awesome new language.
Bonjour, my name is Madame Schuling. I teach French at Bangor High School. I teach years 2 through AP, and we're super excited about having you come join us. Bienvenue.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Madame Todorova. I teach French 1 through 4. Allez, allons-y en classe.
My name is Mrs. Crane and I teach both Chinese and English as a second language. Next year I will be teaching a new semester-long half-credit course called Chinese Culture. In this class, students learn all about Chinese history, culture, and current events by watching videos, doing choreography, making Chinese food, and learning about the Chinese language. If you are interested in taking a language course that is all fun and no stress, that is the course for you. Thank you, 谢谢，再见。
Bienvenidos. I'm Profe Ravan and I teach Spanish 2, 3, and 4 here at Bangor High School. Vámonos!
Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? My name is Profe Dorsa. I teach Spanish classes, honors classes, and the AP Spanish class. Los espero. Vengan.
Hola, my name is Mr. Marshall. I teach Spanish 1 and 2 here at Bangor High School. Hasta luego!